Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. You can reach out to us at hello@iexamb.com or you can call us on this number. Now for all those who have cleared IBPS SO Law Prelims, this video is relevant. We are going to talk about three things. We'll discuss a brief preparation strategy, what you can do in the remaining 10 days for IBPS SO Law Mains preparation. We'll also have a brief idea of all the acts that you need to prepare, and we'll have a look at the previous year cutoffs of mains. So first of all, your exam is on 28th of January. You have hardly 10-11 days in hand and a lot of acts to revise. So keep in mind that you have to revise the important provisions first. You have to revise the most important acts first. Now, how to determine which area is more important? In mains, you have 60 questions of 60 marks. Here, you will have to target somewhere around 40-45 marks out of 60. कट ऑफ भले ही कम जाती हो, कट ऑफ 30-31 के आसपास ही रहती है. But to clear the final stage after the interview, to have your name in the final merit list, your mains score should be much higher. Mains has 80% weightage and your interview has 20% weightage. These were the questions that came from each of these acts in 2020 and 2021. We were not able to locate the 2022 paper, but from this you will have a considerable idea of the acts that you need to prepare. First is your constitution. There were 10 questions in 2020 and 3 questions in 2021. Then you had law of contracts, which included Contract Act and Specific Relief, Transfer of Property, Code of Civil Procedure, Limitation Act, Companies Act, IBC, LLP, Partnership Competition Act. Now there are 3 acts over here: the criminal laws, Code of Criminal Procedure, IPC and evidence. Along with these 3 old acts, you will have to see the important provisions, important updations that are made in the new criminal laws. The expected number of questions from the old criminal laws is less. In fact, more questions are expected from the amended provisions from the new provisions. So remember those section number as well. These were the areas from which questions came: torts, maxims, arbitration conciliation, RTI, IT, RBI Act, then NI Act, RDBFI Act, Banking Regulation Act. Sometimes we have seen questions from Hindu laws as well, from securities law, then SARFAESI and FEMA, these are banking laws, Legal Services Authorities, Lok Adalat Act, this was new act from which questions came in 2021, Consumer Protection Act, Industrial Dispute, Sale of Goods, Payment Settlement, Indian Stamp Act. Now the question arises, are these acts enough? As there is no defined syllabus, it's very difficult to predict all the acts from which you may expect questions. But these will give you a fair idea. In addition to this, you can check out the major laws or amendments that were passed in 2023. Amrita ma'am has already released a video related to that. Go through those and you may even expect few questions from them. But here you have scarcity of time. So it's better to first focus on major areas from which you can expect the questions, and then you can move on to preparation of minor areas. Now let's have a look at the past year cutoff. These were the cutoff over the past 5 years. अब यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे, maximum cutoff in mains has gone to 31. तो इसका मतलब 30-31 मार्क्स लेने से मेंस तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. बट फाइनल कट-ऑफ में आपका नाम आएगा या नहीं आएगा, ये कैसे पता करें? एक चीज देखिए, अगर आपने मेंस में 40 मार्क्स स्कोर किए, so as your mains exam has 80% weightage, these 40 marks out of 60 will be converted to 80% weightage. So if you score 40 in mains, these 40 marks out of 60 will be converted into 80% weightage, which will become equivalent to 53. And if you score 30 marks, these will become equivalent to 40. आपका इंटरव्यू है 100 मार्क्स का. अब आपने इंटरव्यू में 100 में से 80 मार्क्स लिए, 90 मार्क्स लिए, उनको 20% वेटेज दी जाएगी. इसका मतलब अगर आपके इंटरव्यू में 80 मार्क्स आए तो वो टोटल 20% वेटेज के हिसाब से 16 बनेंगे. अब अगर आप 40 में 16 ऐड करते हैं तो वो बना 56. और आप यहाँ पर देखिए, लास्ट ईयर कट ऑफ थी 61, इससे पहले एक बार 63.07 भी गई है. एंड 80% स्कोर करना इन इंटरव्यू इज कंसिडर्ड गुड. आप अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे इंटरव्यू में, तभी आप इतना स्कोर कर पाएंगे. And if you score good marks, let's say 53 marks in your written exam, then this 53 plus if you add 16 here, this will form somewhere around 69 which gives you an edge. तो यहाँ पर आप सेफ साइड पर होंगे. तो इस कैलकुलेशन को समझकर आप ये देखिए कि आपको मेंस में 35 से 40 मार्क्स टारगेट करने, और अगर आप बिल्कुल एज पर ही कट ऑफ क्लियर करेंगे तो आपको इंटरव्यू में 90% इनफैक्ट 100% लाने होंगे. 20 में से 20, 19 ये स्कोर अगर आपका बना तब जाकर आपके चांसेस बढ़ते हैं टू क्लियर द फाइनल कट ऑफ. So keeping this in mind, target somewhere around 35 to 40 marks in the mains examination. I hope this has given you some clarity. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can reach out to us on this number. You can also write them down in the comment below. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with our crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.